I wanted to give you a quick tip on how to hide knots in wood. So you can, if you prime this with just normal primer and you paint it, it'll look great for 6-8 months, and then eventually what'll happen is these will start to bleed through the paint. Okay, so what you need to do is before you do anything, what I suggest is you get this primer. Zinsser is a good one, and you can even see right on it says blocks, knots, and sap. And what you want to do is you want to pre-prime the unit with this primer. Okay, I always get in a spray can just so that I can kind of spot primer, because you don't want to go and prime everything, because this is a very hard primer. It's a shellac, so you really don't want to go and prime the entire thing. You want to just spot prime where the knots are. Okay, maybe do 1 or 2 coats, then give it a nice little sand so it's smooth. Then go and put your primer on, whichever primer you decide to use, and then paint it, and those knots will be gone forever. If you like this, please like, please subscribe. Okay, one more thing I forgot to mention. This stuff dries so hard that if you don't clear the nozzle before you put it away, the next time you pull it out, this spray can will be worthless because this nozzle will be clogged. So what you want to do is every time you're done with this, you turn it upside down and you have to clear it. So you just spray it until you see no paint come out, and then you know the nozzle's clear, okay? And that'll keep your paint in working shape, all right? Quick tip.